This is Jim, and this is Max. Jim and Max are neighbors. When a hail and windstorm hit their neighborhood, both Jim and Max thought that their homes had been damaged. However, Jim and Max handled the situation very differently. Jim figured he would take care of everything himself. Jim called his insurance company and filed a claim. Jim took off work to meet with his insurance adjuster. Jim found out he filed the claim wrong and had to start over. Jim started over and filed another claim. Jim took another day off work to meet his insurance adjuster. Jim spent 3 hours on his hot roof trying to argue why the roof was damaged. Jim's insurance adjuster only paid for a few small repairs. Jim didn't know what to do, so he called his insurance company and spent hours and hours arguing with them. Jim decided to get roof quotes and spend hours and hours dealing with pushy roofing salespeople. Jim found out the insurance company only paid 25% of what a new roof costs, minus his deductible. Jim has to pay the other 75% of the money out of his own pocket, plus his deductible. Jim picks the cheapest roof bid so he doesn't have to pay more than he has to. The work is not good, and Jim regrets picking the cheap company. Jim has to do all of the paperwork and phone work that is required to get his insurance company to pay for the part they approved. He has to write a big check for the rest. Jim's roof leaks every year, but the company he hired is out of business, so he has to pay someone else to fix the leaks. Jim spent hours and hours of time and a bunch of money to fix his house after the storm. Jim is not happy. Max, on the other hand, hired the insurance claims experts at Innovative Home Concepts. Innovative came out and inspected his home for damage to make sure he had a real claim. Innovative filed Max's claim, and they did it the correct way. Innovative met with Max's insurance adjuster and knew what to show him and what to say to get him to pay for a whole new roof, plus gutters, siding, and trim. Innovative did all the paperwork and phone work with Max's insurance company. Innovative hired, scheduled, and supervised the roofer to do the work. Innovative even warrantied Max's roof, so if there was any problems in the future, he would be covered. Max spent very little time dealing with the claim, only had to pay his deductible, and has a beautiful, brand new, properly installed roof. Max is extremely happy. Don't be like Jim. Be smart like Max and hire the hail and wind insurance claim experts at Innovative Home Concepts. You won't regret it.